radical expressions. Multiplying binomial radical expressions. So I have 4 plus 2 square roots of 2 times 5 plus 4 square roots of 2. If I were to give you a problem that looked like this, how would I solve it? Distribute. Same exact concept up here, okay? So we're going to take our problem up here and we're going to distribute. This times this, so 4 times 5 is 20. And then 4 times 4 square roots of 2 gives me 16 square roots of 2. 2 square roots of 2 times 5 gives me 10 square roots of 2. And now let's look at this. 2 square roots of 2 times 4 square roots of 2. 2 square roots of 2 times 4 square roots of 2. Well, let's do what's on outside the radical first. What's 2 times 4? 8. Now I have the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, which would be 2. So that would be 8 times 2, which is going to give me 16. So here would be plus 16. Does everybody understand that I multiply the 8 and the 2 together because I'm multiplying 2 times the square root of 2 and then multiplying 4 times the square root of 2? So that means these two have to be multiplied together too. Okay? So now I just need to combine on all like terms. What can I combine? 20 and 16 gives me 36. And what is that plus that? 26 square roots of 2. Now they're always written in that form with the radical at the end. You wouldn't write it 26 square roots of 2 plus 36. You would write it 36 plus 26 square roots of 2. So 3 minus square root of 7 times 5 plus the square root of 7. 3 minus the square root of 7 times 5 plus the square root of 7. What am I going to multiply first? So 3 times 5 gives me 3 times the square root of 7 gives me negative square root of 7 times 5 gives me, and then negative square root of 7 times the square root of 7 gives me negative 7. Because negative square roots of 7 times the square root of 7 gives me negative square root of 49, right? And what's the square root of 49? 7, so it'll be negative 7. Now all I got to do is combine my like terms. 15 minus 7. And then that right there. Minus 2 square roots of 7. What does this right here mean in this problem? That I'm going to multiply it by itself. That does not mean that I'm going to say the square root of 3 squared and the square root of 5 squared. It means that I'm going to come over here and I'm going to multiply it by itself. So what is the square root of 3 times the square root of 3? 3. What's the square root of 3 times the square root of 5? Square root of 15. What's the square root of 5 times the square root of 3? Square root of 15. And then what's the square root of 5 times the square root of 5? 5. Now all we have to do is put it in the simplest form. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And now I have this right here. Square root of 15 plus the square root of 15. How many square roots of 15s do I have? 2. That would be my answer.